Hey guys, it's Joan today, and I'm back with a two Twinkling Twins video today. So yesterday was Christmas, and I got Squishies. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my Squishies that I got. So I just really wanted to say a late Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I really like you subscribing and liking our videos. So let's get started. So this first one I have was in my stocking. So this was on my wish list. It's this jumbo J.A.R pineapple, and there's J.A.R, and it has some pineapples and cheese, and it's this beach cafe. So here's the back of the packaging. So let's give it a squish. It's very slow rising. So here's it out. It's really soft, and I love squishing on the top. So let's give it a squish out of packaging. I really love this squishy. It's super soft and super squishy. So I really like that one. Thank you for that, Santa. So the next one I have was the first one I opened. The next one I opened under my Christmas tree, and it was this mini mochi seal, and I got strawberry ice cream, and it's by the company Puni Maru. So yeah, let's give it a squish. So it does come with a ball chain and a dust pluggy, and the ball chain is pink. So let's give this squish in the packaging. It's very squishy and very soft. So it has a magnet on the back, and if you get another one, you can basically magnet them together. So this is how you can put the ball chain in. You take the ball chain out, you grab your squishy, and wait, I'm just gonna squish it one time out of its packaging. It smells super duper good. Oh, I also wanted to say the pineapple smells like pineapple. It's really delicious. So this one smells like strawberry ice cream really much. So here's the ball chain, and it comes with this gold kind of like pointy screw thing. So you see this magnet hole, you poke that right in there, and then it will go in and stick like that. So that's how you put the ball chain in. So yeah. So I'm gonna put this back in there. Okay, so we're about to moving on to the next squishy. So the next squishy I opened under my Christmas tree was this jumbo penguin squishy, and it's made in China, and I got the one with the pink bow. So let's squish it in packaging. It's really squishy and really super duper soft. So let's take it out, and it also came with this stretchy black what is it called? A stretchy black phone. No, I forgot. Comment down below what you think it is, or I'll just. It's a stretchy black phone. Okay, just comment down below if you know what this is. I forgot. So here's it out of packaging. It's really sticky, and I love sticky squishies. So I really like this one. Thank you for that, Santa. So I saved the best for last, actually, because the last squishy I opened under my tree was my jumbo I-Blue peach. And I love it so much. It smells so good. It smells like peaches. So it's going to be switched in the packaging. So let's take it out. And it comes in the super crisp packaging. And this I love peach. And then it says big. And then it says I bloom. And then here's the back. So let's take it out, and then it comes in this yellow, like, foamy chain thing. So then here it is. I love it so much. When you squish it, air comes out, and then you smell it. Let's squish the leaf. So let's squish it. It's super soft and super slow rising, and it smells super duper good. So I really love this one. This is my favorite one. I love it so much. But yeah. So that was the I-Bloom peach. So let me just put it back in. So I really love the way it goes in the packaging. So that's all the squishies I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you thought. If you guys know what this is called, because I forgot what it's called. But yeah, so I really love all of them. Thank you, Santa, for getting me them. And subscribe to my channel and give this video a big fat like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!